Take a look at this van here today. This morning, we're going to go from a cold start. See what it does. Yesterday I started up fine. Look at that. That quick, that easy. So great pedal response. Blown a hole in it. Vehicle smells a little rich and running. A little smoke. If the timing was off on the vehicle, it wouldn't have started up that fast or that great. So got a little bit of a rich situation, which is probably causing fuel to pile up inside of the unburnt fuel. Probably is piling up inside of the muffler. And then of course it gets hot and then it backfires. So we're going to figure out what's causing it to run rich. We'll notice everything under the hood plugged in. The crankshaft position sensors under the vehicle. One of the things that the computer said to look for was crankshaft position sensor being faulty, or it could be a stretched timing chain, which is throwing the sensor reading off. So, like I said, this vehicle runs great. We drive it out on the road, but I don't want to get it hot. We're going to figure out what the richness issue is here. Other than that, that motor runs strong. It runs great. It's got good power. I may take it out on the road for a test drive to see what this loss of power is, but right now I just do not see a loss of power. I see it running rich.
Right up under the vehicle, it looks like the crankshaft position sensor has been changed, although I don't know if it has or hasn't, but it does look kind of new. Everything's plugged in on the van. Again, it's running rich. So we're going to research that issue and see why it's running rich. Everything's plugged up. Sensor-wise, it would control fuel flow. The spark plugs were put in here by someone else. I'm probably going to pull the plugs out and check and make sure those are gapped correctly. Also, I'll be checking for any air leaks. I don't understand what the richness issue is. When the vehicle left out, it wasn't running rich, but now it's running rich. But again, van starts up great, runs good and strong. Also, we're going to repair that muffler that was on there. It blew out. Could have been a clog in the system that blew through from before, whenever we had so many issues with the motor and stuff like that, because it's been buildup blowing through. But again, like I say, it's running rich. It hasn't been running rich. But here we're going to start it again and let it sit for a little bit. I mean, that bad boy just it kicks on good. I mean, it really starts up good. So don't quite know what the issue is. Like I say, that sensor's been replaced, but like I say, it is burning rather rich. I'm wondering what the condition of the catalytic converter is. The catalytic converter is actually designed to burn off the excess fuel that isn't burning in the system. If that catalytic converter has been, gutted out or worn out or no good, then that would cause an issue like this as well. So we'll be taking a look at those.
catalytic converters there. Again, there's that muffler. All right, I hope this was helpful. Sorry for the issue. Originally when this thing came in, well, the doghouse is on now, you can't see it, but I've got video of that as well, where you had water leaking into the manifold or leaking out of the manifold. I'll post that up so you can check that out later. So hope this helps you out. As soon as I have more information for you, I'll give you a call or post a video for you. Just wanted to give you a little video of the initial diagnosis on your vehicle.